Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start chapter 19. This is Fireworks, Silk, and the Great Wall. Today, in this chapter, we will learn about the Chinese civilization and its contribution to the world. Okay, so, dear students, Chinese civilization is the one of the world's oldest civilization. It started about 4500 years ago. The ancient Chinese had a very good knowledge of the science and the arts. They invented many things, and one of the great example is the Great Wall of the China. Children, see, this is a Great Wall of China. Okay, this is a world's longest man-made structure. Different parts of the wall were built by different kings over a period of more than 1500 years. Okay, the Great Wall of the China run around 20,000 kilometers at regular intervals. These were used to store weapons, house troops, and to send smoke signal. There are several purposes for the wall, but the main purpose to defend the empire by attack of nomads or invaders. Children, the Great Wall is just one of the many amazing things the Chinese made. Okay, Chinese gave us fireworks. Fireworks were invented by accident. It said that a Chinese cook mixed some common things used in the kitchen. In those days, the mixture caught fire accidentally and exploded. The Chinese started using this mixture to make fireworks for their festival and celebration. They believed that the loud noise made by the fireworks would drive away evil spirits. It was also used to fire guns and rockets. We call this mixture gunpowder. Next important invention of Chinese is invention of seismograph. Dear students, seismograph is an instrument that measured the earthquake. First seismograph had a container with 8 dragons and a metal ball. So the picture shows a device that the Chinese made, okay, to show the direction in which an earthquake. The student, when earthquake occurred, the dragon facing the direction of the earthquake would drop the ball into the mouth of the metal toad below it. You can see in this. चिल्ड्रन, यहाँ पे जैसे आप देख रहे हैं, ये चाइना ने जो बनाया था सिस्मोग्राफ, ये इंस्ट्रूमेंट था जो कंटेनर शेप्ड है और इसमें चारों तरफ से ड्रैगन्स बने हैं। 8 ड्रैगन्स इसमें थे और हर एक ड्रैगन के मुंह पे एक मेटल की बॉल है और नीचे आप देख रहे हैं 8 फ्रॉक्स हैं। तो ये बिलीव किया जाता था कि वो ड्रैगन के माउथ पे जो बॉल है वो जिस फ्रॉक के ऊपर गिरती है, उसके मुंह पे गिरती है, उसी डायरेक्शन में अर्थक्वेक आता है। तो ये उनका एक ग्रेट इन्वेंशन था। Okay, now let's talk about the great discovery of Chinese civilization. This is discovery of silk. Dear students, silk comes from silkworm. Okay, the Chinese were the first to make silk. They were also the first to make clothes from it. It believed that silk was discovered by Chinese queen when a silkworm cocoon fell into her hot tea. When thread from cocoon was woven, it gave silk clothes. Silk was very valuable in ancient China. Only the king and people of high rank were allowed to wear clothes made from silk. Silk was in great demand all over the world. Only Chinese were knew how to make it. This made them rich. The Chinese traded silk with other places in Asia and also sent it to Europe. The road by which the trader traveled to these distant lands became known as the Silk Road. Next great invention of Chinese was paper making. They made paper from rags, bamboo fibers and bark of mulberry tree. They were also the first to start printing. Letters and other designs were carved on wooden blocks. These blocks were used to print on paper or clothes. Dear students, it is the great effort to China which is helping us today to share information globally in the most effective ways. Another invention of Chinese was invention of compass. This invention is significant as it helped to explore the ocean of the world and make trades possible. It also helped in find out the direction. So dear student, this is chapter 19. Hope you understand the chapter. Thank you and goodbye.